Hi there everybody, this is Reese from 501st Creations. I'm the guy who makes all the pico amps and nano amps and Hovey mic tips and so on. And I've now started making E-11 blasters, and this is my latest creation. Absolutely beautifully finished. It's modelled on the original Sterling, of course, which is where the E-11 blaster came from. And it has resin parts, it has an aluminium rail here, and it has really good quality T-track, and it's fitted with a rather nice LED, which I will switch on now and demonstrate. There we go, super bright. And you'll also have noticed that it has a blaster sample, which is actually sampled from A New Hope. So that's the original blaster sound. And of course you've got your super bright LED, which is a lot brighter than it looks here. It really is bright. But for trooping, as most of us know, we have to switch off our light sources. So just underneath here is a switch, just there, so that you can switch it off, and then you just fire with the sound effect. The switch to operate the sound effect and light, I'll just switch the light on again, is just here below the trigger guard, and it sits below this finger. So this is your index finger here, so you put that on there, just rest that there and fire just by pressing lightly with this finger. And you'll notice that the paint job on it is fantastic. What I've done is I've really gone super detail on this, so that it resembles what a Blastech would have been like from the movies. And also there's the reticle, which is here, which I've simulated. And the speaker actually sits in the back here, and inside is a battery pack, which is four AAA batteries, which keeps it really lightweight, and it should last for 30-40 hours on one set of batteries, because it is all very low power requirements. So there we go, the 501st Creations E-11 blaster. Very proud of it, and it's available now. Thank you.